Thank you so much for staying here. My name is Peace One Day, and I'll be discussing today on the fruits, the hospitalities you see in Benue State. Like when you get to Benue State, Benue people are full of hospitality. They welcome strangers, any kind of stranger at all. Whether you are coming to stay or you are passing by, as long as you have in contact with a Benue person, you will have a feel of what we, the Benue people, are made of. Now, talking about having people to show love, which is hospitality. Back then in the days when our aged parents, those who were sent to Benue State for service can attest to this, that when you are sent as a corper to Benue, they will take care of your food, they will take care of your accommodation. In fact, when you enter public transport, people are willing to pay your fare. Now, as a passerby, when we were little, my grandfather used to tell us this story, that when a stranger is passing by your side, always stop them to give them water, to give them food to eat. In Benue State, it is still happening till today. There is a clip that you will see to attest to what I've just told you about. So when next you visit Benue State, look out for this. Stay tuned for our next video.